no, there are too many wires. How can anyone solve this?
I think we need some help. Don't worry. Every complicated circuit has a simple secret.
Really?
Watch carefully! Sometimes a big circuit is only wearing a costume.
A costume?
Let's remove it. Poof!
Poof!
The giant circuit had become a tiny simple circuit.
I became one battery, and I became one resistor.
This is called the Thevenin equivalent. Now let's test it.
It works exactly the same.
That's the magic. The first secret. What voltage do we see?
That's me. I become Thevenin Voltage.
For example, if the battery is 12 volts and the measured voltage is 8 volts.
Wow.
Now we turn off the battery, Volta. I'm taking a nap. Let's see the resistance. Instead of solving the giant circuit, we solve this tiny one.
That's much easier.
Engineers simplify circuits every day. That's why electronics become easier to design. Remember, a complicated circuit can become one battery, one resistor.
That's the Thevenin's theorem. Goodbye, Professor. Big problems become easier when we simplify them. The Thevenin's theorem teaches us that even the most complicated circuit can reveal a simple heart. Now let's see another magician who solves the same puzzle in a different way.
The adventure isn't over yet. Subscribe to MindSpark Tunes for more amazing stories, history, and learning adventures. See you next time.